morning, all of you. I am Patel from Nanaji Vidyapeeth, channel 5th, subject notes, unit number 1, worksheet number 8. Today we will start worksheet number 8. In that worksheet, question number 1 is solve in your notebook. Solve with regrouping sums. Okay, so in that choose the correct answer. Is the first one is 8419 into 9948 is there. So we have to write here 8419 multiplied by 9948. In that 8 nines are 72. We have to write 2 here. 7 is a carry over. 8 8s are 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 7. 8 then 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, 40, 50 is there. So we have to write here 5. 1 is a carry over. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 1, 33. We have to write here 3. 3 is a carry over. 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 3. 64 then 65, 66, 67 is there. So we have to write here 67. After that, cross it out one more, and then 4 9s are 36. We have to write here 6. 3 is a carry over. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 3. 4 then 5, 6 and 7. So we have to write here 7. 4 4s are 16. Write here 6. 1 is a carry over. 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 1, 33 is there. Now cross mark here. 9 9s are 81. Write here 1. 8 is a carry over. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 8. 10, 11, 12, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. We have to write here 7. 1 is a carry over. 9 4s are 32. 32 plus 1, 33 is there. Write here 3. 1 is a carry over. Then 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 1, 73 is there. Write here 73. Now we have to plus all the products 2 as it is. 5 plus 6, 11. Write here 1. 1 is a carry over. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. Write here 2. 1 is a carry over. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 6, 8 then 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, 40. 40 plus 7, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20, 21 is there. So write here 1. 1 is 21. Write here 1. 2 is a carry over. 6 plus 2, 6 then 7, 8. Then 8 plus 3, 8 then 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 3, 11 then 12, 30, 40. So here 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 2, 40. Write here 4. 8, 1 is a carry over. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 5, 4 then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have to write here 9, 7 as it is. So students, correct answer is 7 lakhs 98,000 79 lakhs 1,212. Now look at these sums and write it down in your notebook. and we have to put the correct answer here. Look at this. In the first question, correct answer is here. We have to put the right click there. Okay, but first of all you have to write this answer in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, now we'll start next question. Second one, 1657 into 635. There is a 3 options, but we have to, first of all we have to multiply this. So now students, we have to write here 1657 into 635 is 5 sevens are 35. Right here 3 is a carryover. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 3, 25, then 26, 27, 28 is here. Right here 8. 2 is a carryover. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 2, 32. Right here 2. 3 is a carryover. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 3, 5, then 6, 7 and 8. Right here 8. Close it out here. 3 sevens are 21. Right here 1. 2 is a carryover. 3 5s are 50. 50 plus 2, 50, then 16 and 17. Right here 17. 1 is a carryover. 3 6 are 80. 80 plus 1, 90. Right here 9. 1 is a carryover. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 2 close mark here. 6 sevens are 42. Right here 2. 4 is a carryover. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 4, 34. Right here 4. 3 is a carryover. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 3, 36, then 37, 38, 39. Right here 9. 3 is a carryover. 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 3, 6 and 7, 8 and 9. Right here 9. Okay students, now we have to plus this. So in that 5 as it is, 8 plus 1, 9. We have to write here 9. 7 plus 2, 7, then 8 and 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Right here 1. 1 is a carryover. 1 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 9, 80. 80 plus 4, 80, then 4, 80, then 90, 20, 21, 22 is there. Right here 2. 2 is a carryover. 9 plus 4, 9 plus 4, 9, then 10, 11, 12, 30. 30 plus 2, 50. Right here 5. 1 is a carryover. 9 plus 1, 10 is there. So answer is 10,52,195. Now students, we have to click that option is given already, 10,52,195. You have to write this. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work students. Okay students, now we'll start next question, C1 question. Okay. In that C1 question, 43,605 multiplied by 692 is that. So we have to write here 43,605 into 692. So in that 5 2s are 10, right here 0, 1 is a carry over, 2 zeros are 0, 0 plus 1 1, 2 6 are 12, 1 is a carry over, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 2 4s are 8 is there. Close it out here, 9 5s are 45, right here 5, 4 is a carry over, 9 zeros are 0, right here 4 as it is, 9 6 are 54, 54, right here 4, 5 is a carry over, 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 5, 28, 29, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32 is there, right here 2, 3 is a carry over, 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 3, 36, then 37, 38, 39, right here 39, close it out 2, and then 6 5s are 30, right here 3, 0, 3 is a carry over, 6 zeros are 0, 0 plus 3, 3, 6 6 are 36, right here 6, 3 is a carry over, 6 3s are 80, 80 plus 3, 80, then 90, 20, 21, right here 1, 2 is a carry over, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 2, 26 is there, 0 as it is, 6 as it is, 1 plus 5, 6 is there, 2 plus 4, 6, 7 plus 4, 7 then 8, 9, 10, 11, 11 plus 3, 11 then 12, 30, 40, 11 then 12, 30 and 40, right here 4, 1 is a carry over, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 2, 9 then 10, 11, 8 then 9, then 10 and 11, 11 plus 6, 11 then 12, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 17, right here 7, 1 is a carry over, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, right here 1, 1 is a carry over, 1 plus 3, 4 is there, 4 plus 6, 10 is there, right here 0, 1 is a carry over, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 3 is there. So answer is 3 crore 17 lakhs 13 crore 17 lakhs 4,666. Now look at this sums everyone and write it down in your notebook. I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, now we'll start next question. So students, in that question, filling the missing numbers is there. Okay, so in that, now 57,943 multiplied by 351 is there. So 1 ones are 1, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4, 1 nines are 9, 1 sevens are 7, 1 fives are 5 is there. Cross it out here. 5 threes are 15, 1 is a carryover, 5 fours are 20, 20 plus 1 21, 2 is a carryover, 5 sevens are 35, 35 plus 2 37, right here 7, 3 is a carryover, 5 fives are 25. So we have to write here 25 plus 3, 28 is there. Then cross it out here. Then we have to multiply by the 3 multiply by 57,943. So we'll get the answer 1,73,829 is there. Now plus all the things, so 3 as it is, 5 4 plus 5 9 is there, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 9 19, 1 is a carryover, 7 plus 7 14, 14 plus 2 16, 16 plus 1 7. Same like that, 5 plus 9 40, 40 plus 8 40, then 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20, 21, 22 and 23 is there. Right here 3, 2 is carryover, then 8 plus 2 3, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 3 30, right here 3, 1 is carryover, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 7 10, right here 0, 1 is carryover, 1 plus 1 2 is there. Same like that, we have to multiply by 16,340 multiplied by 512. So in that 2 zeros are 0, 2 fours are 8, 2 threes are 6, 2 six are 12, 1 is a carryover, 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 3 is there. Cross it out here. 1 zeros are 0, 1 fours are 4, 1 threes are 3, 1 six are 6, 1 ones are 1 is there. Again we have to put the 2 cross mark, and then 5 zeros are 0, 5 fours are 20, right here 0, 2 is a carryover, 5 threes are 50, 50 plus 2 17, right here 7, 1 is a carryover, 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 1 31, right here 1 3 is a carryover, 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 5 ones are 5, 5 plus 3 8 is there. Now 0 as it is, 8 as it is, 6 plus 4 10, right here 0, 1 is a carryover, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6 is there, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 1 30, 30 plus 3 16, right here 6, 1 is a carryover, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, right here 3 8 as it is. Now students, I'll give you 2 minutes, you have to complete your work. You have to write missing number. Okay students, now your homework is, I hope your work is complete. Your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 8 and send it to me in a WhatsApp group before 3 o'clock. Your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 8 and send it to me in a WhatsApp group before 3 o'clock. Okay everyone, bye, have a nice day. I hope your work is complete everyone.